Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 1A, Road Base Drawing. This video illustrates A. Update road base drawing, and B. XREF right-of-way and easement drawing. The current drawing is the road improvement base drawing that was previously created in video existing 1A project base drawing. The existing topo and existing surface has been incorporated into the project base drawing using the procedures set forth in reference existing. Since the project base drawing is cross-refed into the base drawing for each improvement category, road, storm, sewer, and water, the existing topo and existing surface is incorporated into the current road improvement base drawing. A separate drawing should be prepared for the right-of-way and easements and XREF into the road improvement drawing. Any changes made in the right-of-way or easements will automatically be updated in the road improvement drawing. The right-of-way and easement drawing for the Kincaid Road Improvement Project will be used for this video. XR enter to start the XREF command. In tool space, external references section, pick the attached drawing icon, pick right-of-way easement drawing, open, leave the scale and the insert points unchecked, OK. Pick the link in the unreconciled new layers message box. Pick the top layer, hold Shift key down and pick the bottom layer, right click, reconcile layer, close layer manager. Generally, lines and polylines are drawn to represent the centerline alignments for a road improvement project. These lines are then offset and modified for the curb, gutters, sidewalks, etc. For this video, the concrete curb, gutter, sidewalk, driveway, and swale improvements obtained from the Kincaid Road Improvement Project are shown on the drawing. The existing topo layer has been turned off. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.